Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit SmartArt hierarchy in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app and go to the presentation where your SmartArt hierarchy is already placed. This process works best when you already have the diagram visible on your slide, so take a moment to make sure you're on the correct slide before moving forward. Next, click on the sample shape inside the SmartArt hierarchy. This is an important starting point because selecting a shape tells PowerPoint which part of the hierarchy you want to work with. When the shape is selected, you should see the SmartArt tools become available, giving you access to design and editing options for that diagram. After selecting the shape, move your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window and click on SmartArt Design. This tab contains the main controls for adjusting the appearance and structure of your SmartArt. If you don't see the SmartArt Design tab, double-check that the SmartArt graphic itself is selected, not just the slide background or a text box. Once you're in the SmartArt Design tab, click on Change Colors. This option allows you to quickly update the color scheme of your hierarchy, which can help make the chart easier to read or better match the style of your presentation. You'll usually see several preset combinations, so choose the one that fits your theme and keeps the hierarchy visually clear. If your presentation is formal, a more subtle color set may work best. If it's meant to be more engaging or creative, a brighter palette might be a better fit. Finally, click on Add Shape. This is the key step for editing the hierarchy structure itself. Adding a shape lets you expand the diagram by introducing another box into the hierarchy. Depending on where your original shape is selected, the new shape may appear at the same level or as part of that branch of the hierarchy. This is especially useful when you need to show additional team members, departments, or levels in an organizational chart. As you work, remember that the selected shape determines how PowerPoint places the new one, so it helps to be intentional about what you click first. A small selection detail can change the structure of the final result. That's it. You've now updated a SmartArt hierarchy in PowerPoint by selecting a shape, opening the SmartArt design tools, changing the colors, and adding a new shape to the diagram.